Ntolini. I'm gonna lock you up. I'm gonna make you look. I will show you to the nation. Hey, don't even try. You'll be in my fucking laundry. Okay? I'm on tomorrow. Not yesterday, tomorrow. Yeah. I'm a bitch.
I'm forward to.
I'm not your brother.
Whatever you.
Hey, fuck you. Get out. Get out of my sitting room.
I'm not going
Get
to.
out of my sitting room. You guys fucking stop. Get out of my sitting room. Get out. Get out. Get out. You're not gonna come. You come there. I'm gonna put a fucking restraining order against you. No business.
For what?
I'm sure to you. Go talk to my guy. Rubbish. I don't wish to know. Fuck you. Get out. Get out. Asa. And you know what?
You know that is false. You know that is false.
Get out.
Did you just call me is Febe?
Febe, get out, bitch. I told you to tell you Febe. I have no message for you. His case. And tell him I'm coming for him. I'll beat him. I want to kill him actually. Bitch. Get out. Get the fuck out. When I had to man kuza man. Tell us first pum. Yeah, pum.
What happened to him? What happened? What happened?
Stay off my fucking